Hello friend, is your iPhone 14 struggling to hold a charge? When battery capacity drops below 80%, typically after 500 charge cycles, you'll notice performance issues. First thing first, open the bottom screws using an appropriate screwdriver. Keep in mind this is iPhone 14, so open from the backside, not from the front screen like iPhone 13 or other iPhones. Now apply heat to the back glass to all corners as shown in the video. Make sure to use a temperature that you are able to touch the screen. Hold the device according to your comfort position and use some glue softener as shown in the video. With the help of a blade and plastic card, start pulling out the back glass from all edges. If the phone has never been opened before, then it will be a little more struggle and patience. Do not lose patience, keep trying. Once you are able to pull from one side, then it gets easier. You can always use more heat and methyl alcohol to pull up the screen. At this point, please carefully open the back glass towards the right side, which should reveal screws securing the NFC flex to the metal cover. Remove these screws and gently separate the back glass from the frame. Now these two screws need to unscrew to unplug the battery from the motherboard. Make sure you use plastic tool to unplug the battery connector. It is time to take the battery out of the assembly. We can apply slight heat and glue softener in this process. Try to lift from one corner as shown in the video and pull out the adhesive underneath with the help of tweezers. Once the battery is out, clean any leftover adhesive to fit the battery properly. Adjust the new battery inside the frame. Always connect the battery to the motherboard first, then place the battery accordingly. Place the metal plate to secure the connection. Connect the NFC flex cable and secure it with metal plates as shown in the video. Turn the phone on for a test and then it's ready to close the back glass. You can use adhesive tape for the corners if needed. Don't forget the bottom screws to secure the back glass. Please feel free to leave any comments. I would be happy to answer. And please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for support and more videos.